Welcome to CandiMentor. Today, let's decode the top fund accounting interview questions for private equity and hedge fund roles in Singapore. With the financial hub's dynamic landscape, mastering these questions can set you apart in your next interview. Join us as we delve into what recruiters are looking for, ensuring you're well prepared and confident. What is fund accounting? Fund accounting is a specialized branch of accounting that focuses on the management and oversight of financial accounts for funds, especially in investment sectors like private equity and hedge funds. Unlike traditional accounting, fund accounting emphasizes tracking performance, net asset value calculations, and investor reporting. In Singapore's competitive finance sector, understanding its nuances is crucial for roles in private equity and hedge funds. Key differences between public and private equity. Private equity involves investments in private companies or buyouts of public companies to delist them, whereas public equity deals with publicly traded companies. In interviews, highlight your understanding of how financial reporting, valuation, and fund structure differ between these sectors. This demonstrates your awareness of the intricacies in fund accounting roles. Explain net asset value, NAV calculation. NAV represents the total value of a fund's assets minus its liabilities, divided by the number of outstanding shares. It's a crucial metric for assessing fund performance. Interviewers will expect you to articulate the NAV calculation process, emphasizing accuracy and timely reporting as key responsibilities in fund accounting. Discuss the importance of reconciliation in fund accounting. Reconciliation ensures that financial records align across various accounts and statements, highlighting discrepancies for resolution. In fund accounting, it's vital for maintaining accuracy and investor trust. Explain your experience with reconciliation processes, including tools and methodologies used, to showcase your attention to detail and problem-solving skills. Understanding of IFRS and its relevance. International Financial Reporting Standards, IFRS, are pivotal in ensuring global financial statement consistency. For fund accountants in Singapore, knowledge of IFRS is essential, as many funds operate internationally. Highlight your understanding of IFRS principles and how they apply to fund accounting practices during your interview. Describe the role of a fund accountant. A fund accountant manages the financial records of investment funds, ensuring compliance with regulatory standards and accurate reporting to stakeholders. They handle NAV calculations, investor reports, and financial statement preparation. Articulate your understanding of these responsibilities and how your skills align with the role's demands. How do you handle tight deadlines? In fund accounting, deadlines are crucial, especially during month-end and year-end reporting. Discuss your strategies for managing workload under pressure, such as prioritizing tasks, efficient time management, and utilizing accounting software to streamline processes. This demonstrates your capability to maintain accuracy, even under tight schedules. Explain your experience with financial reporting. Financial reporting involves preparing statements that reflect a fund's financial position and performance. Highlight your experience in generating accurate, compliant reports, and emphasize your familiarity with Singapore's regulatory environment. This shows your readiness to meet the stringent reporting standards expected in fund accounting roles. Discuss regulatory compliance in Singapore. Singapore has stringent financial regulations, especially in the investment sector. Understanding these regulations and ensuring compliance is critical for fund accountants. Describe your knowledge of relevant laws and your experience in implementing compliance measures within your previous roles, showcasing your commitment to legal and ethical standards. Importance of communication skills. Effective communication is essential for translating complex financial data into understandable reports for stakeholders. Highlight your ability to present financial information clearly to non-accounting professionals, enhancing decision-making processes. This skill is particularly valued in collaborative environments like private equity and hedge funds. What is performance attribution analysis? Performance attribution analysis breaks down a fund's performance to identify sources of returns. It's a key tool for fund managers to assess strategies' effectiveness. Explain your experience with performance attribution, emphasizing your analytical skills and ability to contribute to strategic investment decisions. Explain the term waterfall in private equity. A waterfall model determines how profits are distributed among partners in private equity. It prioritizes distributions, often favoring investors before fund managers. Discuss your understanding of waterfall structures and your ability to manage complex financial models, showcasing your technical proficiency in fund accounting. How do you stay updated with industry trends? The finance industry evolves rapidly, necessitating continuous learning. Share how you keep abreast of industry trends, whether through professional courses, networking, or financial publications. Demonstrating a commitment to ongoing education signals your proactive approach and adaptability to changing financial landscapes. Experience with accounting software. Proficiency in accounting software is vital for efficiency and accuracy in fund accounting. Discuss your experience with platforms such as SAP, Oracle, or QuickBooks, highlighting how these tools have enhanced your ability to manage financial data and reporting tasks. This showcases your technical competency and adaptability. How do you ensure data accuracy? Accuracy is paramount in fund accounting to avoid costly errors. Explain your methods for ensuring data accuracy, such as implementing double-check systems, using software tools for error detection, and maintaining rigorous attention to detail. This demonstrates your commitment to delivering reliable financial information. Handling complex financial models. Complex financial models are integral to fund accounting for forecasting and valuation. Discuss your experience in building and analyzing models, emphasizing your analytical skills and attention to detail. Highlight how these models support strategic decision-making processes within private equity and hedge funds. Explain the term carried interest. Carried interest is a share of the profits earned by fund managers from an investment, typically after a hurdle rate is achieved. It's a critical concept in compensation structures within private equity. Articulate your understanding of carried interest and its implications on fund accounting and financial reporting. Discuss your analytical skills. Analytical skills are crucial for interpreting financial data and making informed decisions. Share examples of how you've used your analytical skills to solve complex accounting issues or improve financial processes. This highlights your ability to contribute effectively to strategic initiatives within fund management. How do you approach risk management? Risk management involves identifying, assessing, and mitigating financial risks. Discuss your approach to risk management in fund accounting, emphasizing proactive measures, compliance with regulations, and using analytical tools to anticipate potential issues. This demonstrates your strategic thinking and commitment to safeguarding financial interests. Explain the concept of hurdle rate. A hurdle rate is the minimum rate of return required by investors before profits are shared. It's pivotal in performance measurement for investment funds. Discuss your understanding of hurdle rates and their application in fund accounting, showcasing your grasp of investment metrics and financial planning. Handling investor queries. Investor relations are crucial in fund accounting, requiring prompt and accurate responses to queries. Share your experience in managing investor communications, highlighting your ability to articulate financial information clearly and professionally. This underscores your interpersonal skills and commitment to client satisfaction. How do you prioritize workload? Effective workload management is essential in fast-paced environments like private equity and hedge funds. Discuss your strategies for prioritizing tasks, balancing urgent deadlines with long-term projects, and using organizational tools to enhance productivity. This demonstrates your efficiency and dedication to achieving high-quality outcomes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights from CandiMentor. Drop your questions in the comments, and let's master fund accounting together.